How to fix slow performance issue on Windows after update. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to address some problems regarding the performance issue after Windows update. So if you guys are facing some performance issue after you've updated your Windows laptop, there might be some things that you can do to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is try to delete old updates. So you can just press Windows plus E to open up your file explorer. And then once you do that, head over to this PC and go to your C drive and then find Windows over here. Under Windows, you can scroll down until you find the folder for software distribution. Go ahead and open this up and you can completely delete these files. Press Shift plus Delete and then click on Yes, and all of the files will be deleted. This is the first thing that you can do. The other thing you can do is do a quick cleanup, disk cleanup. Open up Run dialog box and then you can just go ahead and search for clean mgr, hit enter, select your drive, click on OK, and it's going to calculate everything to clean up your disk. Now you can select downloaded program files, you can select temporary internet files, Windows error reports, and more. So I can just select all of these stuff over here, which is going to clean up almost 1.59 GB. Now you can just go ahead and click on OK, and it should clean up all of the files for you. All right, so once you have done that, there's other things that you can do as well. You can go ahead and open up your task manager by pressing Control Shift and Escape, or just right click on here on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps, and if there are any unnecessary startup apps, you can just right click on it and disable those startup apps. Do the same for all of the apps available here. These apps might be causing performance issue as they immediately run when you turn on or boot your PC. After this, you can do one more thing, is to troubleshoot. Go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to troubleshooter. You can find it on system. Scroll down, find troubleshooter or troubleshoot, and then go to other troubleshooters. And find Windows Update over here, click on Run, and it's going to automatically run the troubleshooter for your Windows Update. Check if there are any problems, and it's going to fix itself or ask you to fix itself. You just have to allow it, and you should be good to go. So these are some of the things that you can do to tackle the problem for performance issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, don't forget to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon for more content like this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.